Alright, welcome back to another video. If you would, like, subscribe, share this video. Excuse the dog noise. I can't help that there. That's my neighbor dog. Just won't be quiet. But today we're going to be changing out this thermostat here on the 2004 Toyota Camry. So it's pretty basic. It's not hard at all. So what we're going to do is remove this hose right here. And by removing this clamp with a Phillips. And then we're going to address this little spout here, and we'll be back. All right, this is what we have to take that spout off. So basically you have size 10. It may come out like this here or this here. So either way, once you tighten it down, it's going to do what it's supposed to do. So as you can see, the thermostat right in there. And it's a shame that I bought a thermostat and it did not come with that gasket. I'm not going to reuse that gasket there. But as you can see, it's going to make a mess. You just have to make sure you have another gallon of antifreeze and make sure you get the proper color. Don't just go buy pressed stone. You always want to go with the original. So we're going to pull this thermostat out, put the new one in. All right, so this is the new one here, and this the old one. The old one looks so much more beefier than the new one, but it's gonna work anyway. But anyway, this new one did not come with this O-ring gasket here. You want to make sure you buy that. Now you could reuse the old one if you like, but me, if I'm gonna go new, I might as well go new on everything. So we're gonna put this back in and make sure you fill it up. Alright, everything is put back together as you can see. You want to run it for a while, make sure all the air bubbles out. You want to make sure your reservoir is full and let it run until at least the thermostat opens up, and that way you'll know if your level is at the correct level. Also, you want to make sure it's not leaking underneath that plastic there. You don't want to be on the road and then you're leaking antifreeze.